In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files for Canva beginners. So if you've been working on some amazing designs in Canva and want to combine them into a single seamless PDF file, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Canva and log into your account. If you haven't created one yet, it's super easy to sign up. Once you've logged in, it's time to prepare your designs. Make sure you have your two PDF designs ready. These are the documents that you want to merge. Open each design in Canva and give them a quick review to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. With your PDFs prepared, look to the top right corner of the Canva interface. You'll see a button labeled Share. Click on that and a drop-down will appear. Go ahead and click on the download icon. This step is crucial as it prepares your individual files for the merging process later on. Now before you click download, you'll notice an option labeled Flatten PDF. If you select this, it will merge layers and elements into a single image in the PDF, which is useful if you want to ensure that no changes can be made to your document later on. However, if you would prefer to retain layers and edits, you might want to leave this unchecked. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on the download button to save your first PDF. Now simply repeat this downloading process for your second PDF design. When both files are safely downloaded to your computer, you're ready to move on to the merging phase. For the next step, we'll be using a tool called I Love PDF, which is absolutely perfect for this task. Head over to the I Love PDF website and select the option to merge PDFs. Click on the button that says Select PDF Files. Then navigate through your downloads and select the PDF files you just saved from Canva. Once you've successfully uploaded both PDFs to I Love PDF, locate the Merge PDF button. Go ahead and click on it. The tool will work its magic, combining your separate PDFs into a single document. This might take a few moments, so be patient as the PDFs are being merged. When the process is complete, a button will appear allowing you to download the merged PDF. Click on it to get your final combined PDF file. And there you have it. You've successfully merged your PDF files, creating one cohesive document from your Canva designs. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you frequently work with documents or designs that need to be compiled for presentations, portfolios, or printing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your design workflow a little smoother. Thanks for watching.